9 days old.
No, wait a minute. Stacy wasn't seeing anyone. Did she say you shouldn't see someone?
That cute little face.
She left without the kids?
Grab one of the other ones, see if we can get one to try to talk to us again.
Wait a minute. Stacy would not leave those kids behind. I know her. Those kids are everything to her. She wouldn't leave them behind.
It's a little chatterbox. It's a little chatterbox.
9 days old, he can't quite mew. He's trying though.
I want to see this. This is about big of me.
It's an adjustment.
Here's a pod mama. The rest of her litter in here. 7 of them total. Look at that cute little face.
That's what you would see too, remember? The movie that they said the babies, the one that you want to see.
Oh, yes, it's about.